All right, so this is one of my, we're not going to call it a how-to, it's probably one of my how not to's videos. But I got this light kit, I don't know if it's a light bar, it's a light kit from Martinez Metal Designs. Have not opened it yet, so we shall unboxing here and see what kind of quality we're going with. Perfect. All right, so what this is supposed to do, it's going to fit behind the grill. This is my 2020 Chevrolet 3500. So this should work on a 2500 or 3500, but it's going to fit behind the grill and light up this logo area here for Chevrolet. So we will unwrap this and get back to you. All right, so I'm not going to show you like the whole how to take this grill off. There's some better videos out there. Just search that, and there's a guy that'll walk you through it much better than I will. But essentially, you got to take out these little pins. You got these little pins. You just need a screwdriver. You don't need any fancy pull tools because they won't work. Just stick a screwdriver in there, pop that up, and then pop the whole thing up. So, like that. There's always got to be one that wants to be difficult. Okay. That done, you have to remove this little lever thing, some Torx bits. So for reference, that's a T15. We'll leave that there so I don't lose it. With that, the little handle comes out. And that. slips off. No.
A few moments later.
Hi there.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so look, I'm old, got back problems. Most of my day consists of just sitting. But next, we're going to remove these bolts. And then there's one in each fender that we got to remove. Yeah. So that's where we're at now. So yeah, what we're looking at, this just drops right on there, kind of fits there. It's got little cutouts here for pretty much everything. And what I'm gonna guess that next, I just probably throw some screws right in there, and then wires. So let's zip on the screws there. I think we will take a look at these. Nicely packaged. Comes with that's just the LED controller. Okay. Alright, so Alright, so what turned out to be the hardest part of this project was finding screws to fix this to my grill. Martinez, you let me down. So I dug through all of my project screws from all the furniture projects that, you know, you have extra screws. Finally found 4, so we're gonna run these down into that. So now just reverse the process. Alright, so it comes with this on the end. Again, no instructions, but I guess they assume that, you know, I'm smart enough to handle this. But I mean, yeah. So it's got this nice bladed with a fuse on it. Sorry. Right. So that's going to just plug into here, and then you got a ground there Sorry for my shaky hands. I'm old. But we're just gonna boop and boop, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so that's it. Super easy to do. Disassembly of the front end of the truck was the hardest part. I'm sure he probably makes these for other makes and models, but Martinez Metal Designs, and it's on Facebook. If I figure out how to do links, I'll put a link to that in my description. If I can do it, you can do it for sure. All right, so we're going to kind of talk about the actual lights. Obviously, this is filmed much later, but one thing I like about it is they automatically come back on to whatever it was your last light setting was. So if you had them set for orange, they come on orange or amber, I guess, which is the one I'm choosing because it kind of matches the other lights. But it has other colors, blue, for example, and whatever that is, kind of like a purple color, teal. You know your colors, yellow, and we're going to call that green. I think that was white, although it's kind of a bluish kind of a white. And you can also just, light show. But anyway, what I like is that this, I leave it on orange, shut the truck off, turn my lights back on, it's on orange. Say I set it for a different color, like blue. When I turn my lights on, it's going to be set to blue. So you don't have to actually turn them on every time, which I was kind of worried about that. So good controller. I like the one that Martinez chose. It works real good with this setup. So. Also, a quick note, in talking to Martinez while I was making this video, he said that light controller is very customizable. There's a QR code on it that lets you like change the colors, customize the colors. So really good kit. Definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching.